Xinzhou Bearing is a corporation of production of various of stainless steel bearing, full ceramic bearing, hybrid ceramic bearing, plastic bearing. We have been focused on the specialty custom ball bearing in the past 10 years. We are specialized in all kinds of ceramic balls. Example, silicon nitride, zirconia oxide, aluminum oxide, silicon carbide, bearings made from ceramic, stainless steel, 440C, 420-316, or chrome steel, SAE5 2100, tolerance, ABEC 1, 3, 5, 7 level, and we can customize for you according to your needs. Our engineers can help you with bearing, shaft, and housing tolerances, as well as semiconductor applications, cryogenic applications, extreme hostile environments, and extreme delta T temperatures environments. We distribute bearings for extreme high temperature. We can help to design, manufacture any bearing within a 3-week turnaround. We are uniquely positioned to provide OEMs and distributors a full range of engineered solutions in addition to stocking thousands of standard bearing and bearing-related products to cost efficiently and consistently provide just-in-time delivery. Our quality is ranked high reputation by bearing distributors and OEMs, especially our physical coated rings, ceramic balls, and moly Teflon retainers give customers the longest lasting performance bearings in the industry. Allow us the opportunity to use our expertise to solve your toughest bearing applications. Please consider us for your bearing needs as well as all custom bearing requirements.